Welcome to Beautyistic. Today we're diving into the Estée Lauder Advanced Night Repair Face Serum Synchronized Multi-Recovery Complex with Hyaluronic Acid and Peptides. This serum is marketed as an anti-aging and hydrating powerhouse, designed to work while you sleep, helping skin look smoother, more radiant, and even-toned. Let's break this down and see if it lives up to the hype. The Estée Lauder Advanced Night Repair Serum claims to work for all skin types, including sensitive skin, and it's designed to target common signs of aging like fine lines, uneven texture, and loss of radiance. It features an exclusive Night Peptide, hyaluronic acid, and a blend of other key ingredients aimed at hydrating, smoothing, and revitalizing the skin overnight. The formula is free from synthetic fragrance, which is a big plus if you have sensitive skin or just prefer a more neutral, natural scent. It's light, subtle, and doesn't linger after application. The serum is designed to hydrate deeply, replenish the skin, and help smooth away the look of fine lines. In terms of real-world use, the application is incredibly smooth. The serum has a silky texture that absorbs quickly into the skin without leaving any sticky residue. I found it easy to incorporate into my nightly routine. After cleansing, it was just a simple pump or two to cover the entire face and neck. The serum felt light but hydrating, and it didn't feel heavy or greasy at all, which is great for those who prefer a non-oily finish. I've been using it consistently for a couple of weeks now, and I noticed my skin looking smoother and a bit more radiant in the morning. There's a visible improvement in skin texture. Fine lines around my eyes and forehead appeared softened, though results can vary depending on individual skin concerns. It's gentle enough to use every night, but I'd advise those with very sensitive skin to patch test first due to the powerful blend of ingredients. Now let's talk pros and cons. On the pro side, the serum does a great job at hydrating, and I noticed a subtle improvement in skin tone and texture. It's fragrance-free, which is a win for those who are sensitive to artificial scents. The lightweight texture makes it easy to layer under other products, and the packaging is sleek and hygienic, thanks to the dropper design. On the con side, while the serum hydrates and improves skin tone, I didn't notice drastic anti-aging effects in the short term, like a dramatic reduction in wrinkles. Also, the price is a bit on the higher end, which may make it less accessible for some people. It's an investment, and while it delivers solid results, it might not be a game changer for everyone. Speaking of price, is it worth the money? Considering the high-quality ingredients like peptides and hyaluronic acid, the serum does offer value in terms of its hydrating properties and its gentle formulation. However, if you're on a budget, there are alternatives that deliver similar benefits. Many drugstore brands offer hyaluronic acid serums at a fraction of the price. In comparison to other high-end anti-aging serums, Estée Lauder's Advanced Night Repair holds its ground with its impressive hydration and smoothing effects. However, there are other products on the market that might give you comparable results at a lower price point. If you're looking for a powerful serum that combines multiple anti-aging benefits, though, this one is certainly worth considering. The build quality is solid, with an elegant glass bottle that looks chic on any vanity. It's well packaged and feels luxurious, which justifies its premium price a bit. I can see this lasting a good amount of time because a little goes a long way, but the price tag still remains a consideration for many. As for customer support, Estée Lauder generally has a solid reputation for handling inquiries efficiently, but I haven't had any direct interaction with their support team myself. That said, the brand's long-standing reputation for quality gives me confidence in their service. Is there room for improvement? Yes. I'd love to see faster, more visible results, especially in terms of deeper anti-aging effects. But for a serum that promises hydration and smoother skin, it does deliver on that front, and it's a solid choice for anyone looking to incorporate a reliable hydrating product into their nighttime routine. So would I recommend it? If you're willing to invest in your skincare routine and are looking for something that will help with hydration, smoothness, and radiance, this serum is definitely a good option. However, if you're hoping for dramatic anti-aging effects right out of the gate, you might want to explore other options as well. Mid-review call to action. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you so much for watching. If you've tried the Estée Lauder Advanced Night Repair Serum, drop a comment below and share your experience. We'd love to hear how it worked for you. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.